This story begins as we dock in icy straits in Hoonah, Alaska. Little did I know the adventure and fun that was awaiting me this day. This guy was just standing there beside the road. It was really cool. The sights and sounds walking into Hoonah was just beautiful and peaceful. I really love this picture I got of the point. These carvings were all over town. Here's one in the process of being made. It's pretty cool. Once we got into town, we decided to take a whale watching tour, and I will never forget this. And it didn't take long for the action to start.
Oh, wow. Holy.
That is unbelievable.
This grouping of whales is called bubble feeding. It's pretty amazing to watch.
They're splitting up.
Even the seals need a break once in a while. We followed this group of whales into the inner harbor by Hoonah, and it did not disappoint.
Mm-hmm. That was cool. Five each other with their fins. Like that!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh!
Like that!
Did you see it? Yeah. Did you see it?
I got to see it, but I didn't get it.
That was awesome. That was super cool.
Thanks for yelling, but it was looking in the right direction.
Yeah.
Well, that deserves a close-up. And just like that, our day was over and we said goodbye. But what a memory.